Crispy chicken wings you'll love. Start with baking powder. This is the secret to crispy wings. It breaks down the skin so it gets super crunchy in the oven. Now add garlic powder, paprika, red chili powder, black pepper, salt and baking powder. Toss the wings until they're well coated in the seasoning. Place the wings on a greased baking tray in a single layer. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and crispy. Let them rest for about 10 minutes. While the wings cool, let's make the sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then sauté 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Add 1 cup of hot sauce, a quarter cup of honey, and the juice of half a lemon. Finish with fresh chopped cilantro. Now toss the wings in that hot, tangy sauce until fully coated. Crispy, juicy, flavorful. Serve them hot and enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tasty bites.